let's just look at some of the stocks that I am watching this morning. And Sobha, I thought, was very interesting. Investec on Sobha is positive. They've initiated a buy with a target price of 2,150 rupees, a 42% upside. So that has worked. In fact, there are two notes today, one from Investec and one from HSBC. They're targeting a strong long-term presence with entry in Mumbai and Noida. They expect an 18% CAGR pre-sales growth over FY24 to FY27 estimate and expect an annual launch of 9 to 10 million square feet over the next 2 years. They also expect a strong cash flow and land monetization to strengthen the balance sheet. HSBC on Sobha has maintained their buy but raised their target price from 2,000 rupees to 2,150 rupees. That's still a 40% upside. And they're poised for strong growth post recent rights issues and improved OCF. They see improved visibility on launches beyond FY26 and 26 million square feet ready for launch in the next 2 years, plus over 1,800 acres of land bank that Sobha has. They're aggressively planning to enter newer cities like Mumbai and Noida. So this is one that could move because of the positive notes. HSBC has highlighted key risks as well, and that's important to tell you. They've said margins continue to disappoint owing to legacy issues. The company now expects another 2 quarters of pressure and pick up in run rate of overhead and taxation related costs. SJVN is the other one which I would say is a thumbs up today. Stock hasn't moved much recently, but it could see a positive move today. They've signed an MOU with the Energy Department. Government of Rajasthan will be spearheading development of renewable energy in the state. The company will develop 5 gigawatt pumped storage projects and 2 gigawatt floating solar projects in the state. More focus on power. Tata Power also has a thumbs up. The company has signed an MOU with the Asian Development Bank for $4.25 billion for financing key clean energy power projects in line with the country's renewable energy target of 500 gigawatts by 2030. They also have ongoing projects of 966 megawatt solar wind and hybrid projects as well, apart from pumped hydro storage projects. So those are some which are looking good.
Adding to the list of stocks and order wins and project wins is Afcon's infrastructure. They've emerged as the lowest bidder for a project worth 1,274 crores from Uttarakhand Project Development. So this could be one to track in early trade this morning. Was an outperformer on a day when the markets were having it quite rough. The buying could be seen or expected to be seen in trade today. Remember, it's up about 5% since listing. It's a new stock in so many ways. Well, Protein, that's an important one to track in the session. NSE Investments, the non-promoter shareholder, is looking to sell 20.31% stake via an OFS which begins today, which is the 22nd of November, up until the 25th of November. This will include a base issue size of about 10% and a green shoe option of about 10%. The floor price has been set at 1,550, so that comes in at a significant discount to yesterday's close. You will see the stock reacting very soon in trade, but this OFS member will be today and on Monday as well next week. So depending on how well the supply gets absorbed on Protein. Well, beyond that, you also have, I think Taman has already mentioned SJVN, but I'll quickly highlight Emphasis for you. We don't have quantitative data on this one, but the company has been named as the official digital partner of MoneyGram has F1 team. Now, sentimentally, this would be a positive. We don't know the size of this order or this relationship, when this converts into revenue. We'll try and get more details on this, but it could be one to track because only a few months ago, you had similar news flow on Wipro and you saw the sort of reaction the counter witnessed. Emphasis would be one more on my list, along with Protein and Afcon's infrastructure, Tamana.
Yeah, okay. So one more you should put on your list definitely today is LIC and NTPC.